Today we are going to study about position of floral parts on thalamus. So, based on the position of calyx, corolla and androecium in respect of the ovary on thalamus, the flowers are described as hypogynous, where the gynoecium occupies the highest position while the other parts are situated below it. The ovary in such a flower is said to be superior, for example, mustard, China rose, and brinjal. If gynoecium is situated in the center and other parts of the flower are located on the rim of the thalamus, almost at the same level, it is called perigynous. The ovary here is said to be half inferior. For example, plum, rose, and peach. Lastly, in epigynous flowers, the margin of the thalamus grows upward, enclosing the ovary completely and getting fused with it. The other parts of flowers arise over above the ovary. Hence, the ovary is said to be inferior, as in flowers of guava and cucumber, and the ray florets of sunflower. Thank you.